Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I got my GLOSSYBOX, and I actually got this yesterday, but I didn't have any time to record it, so I'm gonna record it before I go to work. I've got like, I don't know, 10 minutes before my bus comes, so I'm risking it, but let's open it up. Alright, so this is the March box. Basic packaging. I'm gonna take the card out because I don't like to look at, I don't want to spoil it for myself. So let's pop it open. Ooh, okay. So I'm going to take this out first. This is the Couleur. Meet the true botanical powerhouse. This looks expensive. What is it? It's got all these oils in it. Hazelnut seed oil, leaf twig oil, bitter orange leaf twig oil. Ooh, jeez. What is it? Okay. Oh, is it inside? Did it just get lost? Okay, I thought I didn't receive one. Here it is. So that's where it's supposed to go. 100% pure, colorant-free, mineral oil-free, paraben-free. Pioneers of aromatherapy skincare brings you naturally powerful essential oils. From morning and night, on 2 drops in the palm of your hands, applying clean face, finishing with light sweeping strokes. Follow with moisturizer. I've been using oils recently, so I'm definitely going to use this. I love oils. I used to be so scared to use oils because I thought that they would make my skin oilier and give me spots, but they haven't, which is great. So I'm definitely going to try that out. We've then got this box here, makeupdrop.com. No, nothing explain what it is, just says makeupdrop.com. Silicone makeup applicator. Thing is, we already got a silicone makeup applicator in like a couple boxes ago, but apply a small amount of makeup directly to the makeup drop using soft dabbing motions. The thing is, these silicone applicators, they just don't give me the finish that I want, and with a sponge I get the finish that I want. So it is a silicone applicator, a normal silicone applicator. Okay, I don't think I'll use it because they're not my kind of thing, but we'll see. And then we have Mud Mastee, Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. pH balance, repairing, hydrating, rejuvenating, smoothing and protecting. There's like 5 things in there, so that sounds great. Instructions: wash your face and hands, apply a thin layer. Leave mask on during the night for at least 5 hours, maximum 10. Remove the mask in the morning with warm water. Finish with cold water. Use every night before going to bed. Natural ingredients, paraben free and not tested on animals. I've never used a sleep mask before. When it says apply a thin layer and then go sleep, I wear an eye mask, so I feel like it's going to rub off on my face and on my pillow. So I don't really know how it works. Does it dry on your skin? Does it not move about? So maybe I'll try it out, see how it goes. Maybe it does dry on the skin. I don't know. I've never used it before. Then we have, what's this? Figs and Rouge Soft Focus Pore Perfect HD and Matte Veil. Okay, so it's a primer. High definition and pore perfecting soft focus veil. Weightless matte serum helps minimize the appearance of pores and create a sheer complexion. Duo action. Anti-blemish formulation helps reduce skin impurities and combats breakouts. And HD and complex. Is it pluses? Sorry, HD and complex. Diminishes shine and delivers a microfine soft focus effect. Long-lasting pore correction, helps fade imperfections and promote a clearer, balanced complexion. Okay, so it's a serum, but a veil, and I'm guessing the veil actually means primer, because you use this before you put your foundation on. Hydra Pore. I'm definitely going to try this out. This sounds cool. It does have a lot of natural ingredients, which I like to see. I always like to see natural ingredients in products, so it's always a plus for me. This sounds great, and it's got anti-blemish formulation, so it's a mattifying, pore perfecting, and it's like anti-blemish. That's 3 good things that everyone wants to hear. I'm not into the matte, but I'll still try it out. Why not? And last but not least, we have the Orza Beauty. It doesn't say, but it's a lipstick, and this is my colour right here. That's my colour. Let me just swatch it on my hand. It's a soft lipstick. I think it's I think it's matte or a satin matte. That's my kind of nude. So I got a perfect colour right here. Alright, let's take a look at the card. So the April sneak peek is the Fat Ico liquid liner. I actually like liquid liners, not the fat ones, but you know, I'll take it, I'll use it. Next month, it's my birthday month, so I'll take that as like a birthday present. So starting off with the Mud Mask Sky or Mud Masky, it is RRP £61. Not this, but full size. Bloody hell. It says using only raw, fresh, all natural ingredients from Amsterdam, this mask hydrates, soothes and smooths your skin. It's scented with natural rose water, which is good stuff. And it gives you a more restful sleep after a long day. Goodness, £61, what the heck? I'm definitely going to try that. Then we have, oh, there's a lot of different things inside the box. So it's just like a random selection. So we've got, what's at the top? The Orza Beauty Warm Nude Lipstick, RRP $15.95, full size. The Velvet Ribbon Lipstick range by Orza has a weightless semi-matte and satin finish, just as I thought. Oh, the Figs and Rouge Soft Pore Perfect HD Plus, £35 RRP. This is full size as well. A weightless matte serum designed to minimise the appearance of pores. That's that. The D. Coleor Aromacent Neroli Hydrating Oil Serum. Obviously this is like a mini tester. This is RRP £48 and it says massage gently on face and neck to leave skin visibly hydrated, smooth and glowing. Damn. And the makeup drop is RRP $14.50. Say goodbye to product wastage, a hygienic silicone applicator for applying your base. So that's what I got. The other things that other people may have got would have been a Good Morning AM mask and a Good Morning PM mask by Meg Cosmetics. Those are RRP £4.50. Also the Laura Geller illuminating stick. Oh, I would have loved an illuminating stick. I'm a highlighter girl. I don't know if you can tell, but I like to gleam. So that is RRP £19. That was a full size, and that is a highlighter, can be worn on bare skin or over foundation. Also the Lue by John Co. This pH balanced powder. Where's that? It's on here somewhere, but it's a balanced powder, cleanses, exfoliates and brightens, leaving skin radiant, soft and smooth. RRP £11. Universal Beauty Secret Flush. This soothing cream blusher and lip stain dewer glides on like silk and blends effortlessly. RRP £14.50. LA Fury Dos Volcans. I remember getting this one at the top here ages ago. Ages ago. I think 2 years ago, last year. Really early last year. And that is a scrub to mask. And then the Leighton Denny Expert Nails Miracle Mist. Ooh, that sounds cool. Spray directly onto the nails for a smudge-free polish that's touch dry in seconds. RRP £12. So those are the products that I think it was just a random mix-up in a box. So these are the products that I got. I can't wait for next month's box. I'm really excited to try out this, and this. This especially, £64. Are you bloody mental? I would never, ever spend £64 on a face mask. This stuff must be like heaven. Goodness me. And this as well, this is expensive. Just by looking at the packaging, I already know it's expensive. And this as well. Definitely going to try that out tomorrow. So I have work tomorrow, I'm going to try that out, see how it is. I might even leave my thoughts on it in the description box. So we'll see if I try it out. So that is the March box. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.